and welcome to lesson number 2. I'm super excited to continue our journey down the path of martial arts, and hopefully you've been able to start using that yes I can attitude with everything that you're doing. So as always, we get started with our student creed. One thing I wanted to talk about real quickly though is here at the karate school when you come for classes, number 1, when you walk in the door, you put all your shoes in the cubbies. Then you're gonna line up against the far wall. And what we do before class is we line up from shortest to tallest. And then when it's time to start class, everybody starts clapping. So you're clapping so we have a whole bunch of energy. Then when it's your turn, you bow and you say the life skill and go running out to your dot. Right now, we're working on belief. So what we do is you step down, you're clapping, clapping, clapping. We bow, you say believe, and you go running to your spot on the floor. We've got different dots all around the floor here. And then you're standing tall and clapping. And then you'll hear us say, set. Right to attention, you say, yes, sir. Bow. We bow forwards, and whenever we bow, we say, yes, I can. So that way we're working on that belief mindset. So let's practice right now. Right in place, standing tall. Here we go. And clapping strong. Clapping, we're about to start class. Good job, and set. Right to attention, yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. Nice. Now, again, strong voice is always a good sign that you have a lot of belief in yourself. So, as we talked about, every class always starts with the student creed. So you're gonna turn and face mom or dad, wherever they're at. Right at attention, you say structure. To have discipline, to obey what is right, and to follow the rules. Then your hand over your heart. Emotion, to have a positive attitude and a passion for life. Knowledge, to apply what we learn in Prestige to our everyday life. Legacy, to be a leader and a role model for others to follow. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. And I choose to be a winner. Asa! And then the parents say, Asa! Nice, good job. All right. So after the student creed, we do our warm-up. Last time we did jumping jacks. So today I want to add our second exercise, which is going to be squats. So again, using that strong voice, let's do the jumping jacks together. Ready? Go. 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. 5, sir. 6, sir. 7, sir. 8, sir. 9, sir. 10, sir. Good job. All right. Now, squats. Hands are on top of your head. We want to be strengthening up our legs so we've got strong stances and super strong kicks. Unfortunately, sometimes people lose focus. So when they do their squat, they bend forward so they're looking at the floor. We don't want to do that. We want to be standing tall and bend at the knees. So you're looking right at me. I'm looking right at you. Here we go. Hands on top of our head and go. 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. 5, sir. 6, sir. 7, sir. 8, sir. 9, sir. 10, sir. Nice job. Good work. All right, then we go right back to attention. So we say set. You say, yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. Life skill. Here we go. Grab that belt. If you don't have your belt yet, you would grab the air and you say, believe. And thumbs up in the air is having a yes, I can attitude. Nice job. Then we say, what time is it? And you get to say, it's hug time. So after every warm up, you get to give mom or dad a super big hug. So go give them a hug super fast. It's always good to give them a good compliment too, like, you're the absolute best in the world. And then get right back on your dot so we can get started with class. Good work. All right, quick review. Last class, we worked on your punch. Today, I want to add a front kick. So we're going to be doing front kicks as well. So let's review our punches really quick. So we go back to attention. You say, yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. Right in that horse right stance in your warrior yell, which is called your ki. Asa! And then super strong punch. Remember, we did them 3 at a time. Yes, I can. All right, here we go. Ready? Go. Yes, I can. Go. Yes, I can. Go. Yes, I can. Go. Yes, I can. One more. Go. Yes, I can. Nice job. Good work. Now, want to make sure those punches are strong? and they're focused. Now, parents, here comes your part. Other than clapping, cheering, and high fives, pull out that phone, get the video set up and ready to go. This is the section of class for you to record. We're gonna be working on front kicks. And what's important is for you to see the difference that your child has from the very first time they kick to the very last time they kick in just a couple of minutes. So it all comes back to mindset and what we believe or what we think we're capable of doing. So let's see what this looks like. Number one, we want our hands up in guard. We're gonna say protect the coconut. So that way when you're kicking, right, our coconut has our brain, our hands are up to protect. Ready, parents? Hopefully that camera's all set. If you have not started yet, start recording now. What you're gonna do with your hands up in guard, you're gonna bend your knee up, make sure your knee is higher than your belly button, and then you're gonna snap a front kick, and then set your foot down. And then we're gonna switch. You're gonna lift your knee up, snap a front kick, and then put it down. Now, what a lot of students do when they first start is they kick and fall. We don't want that. We want great kicks right from the very beginning. So you're gonna lift your knee, snap the kick, leave that knee up, and then set it down. All right, I wanna see what 4 of them looks like. Here we go, ready? 1, sir. Now the other leg. 2, sir. Make sure you're counting. 3, sir. 1 more. 4, sir. All right, good job. Now, this time, I want you to kick chest high. You probably kick somewhere down around the belly. Let's bring it up. I want you to kick chest high. Here we go. Ready? 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. Oh, nice job. All right. One more time. Nose or even over your head. I want you to kick as high as you can with a good strong voice. 1, sir, 2, sir, 3, sir, 4, sir. Here we go. Hands up, protect the coconut. And 1, sir. 2, sir. 3, sir. 4, sir. Nice job. Good work, good work. All right. And we go back to attention. You say, yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. That was fantastic. Give me a quick high five. Bonk. Great, great job. All right. So now you know punches and you know front kicks. There are going to be some other techniques that you learn once you join us in live class, but those are going to be the 2 basics. Next class, I've got 1 more awesome technique to teach you. But for today, that's where we're going to finish up. Oh, you have homework. You didn't think that I forgot about the homework, did you? No way. All right, while the front kicks are fun, cool, and awesome to practice, and I do want you to practice those for better balance and stronger and higher kicks, again, we're working on belief. So your first homework assignment was that yes, I can attitude. Homework number 2, people who believe in themselves stand tall, look people in the eye, and smile. So that's your homework assignment. Whenever you're starting at home, right, whenever mom or dad are talking to you, look them in the eye, stand tall, and make sure you smile. Everybody forgets about the smile part. And you may not be upset, but it just looks that way. Kind of like a Squidward. Right? You don't want to be Squidward. So we want to be standing tall, eye contact, and a good smile. That is homework assignment number 2. Now, remember, homework assignment number 1 still is happening. We're not done with number 1 and going to number 2. We're adding number 2 to homework assignment number 1. All right? Great, great job. I look forward to seeing your video. Again, parents, you want to make sure that you post it up in our parents group on Facebook, or if you're not on Facebook, you can just email it directly to me. Directions are right below this video, and then there's another video below that you can watch to learn a little bit more about our program. Once we see that video, we will send you class number 3, where you are going to be working on earning your white belt. That is a super awesome time. I am really excited to see you in class number 3. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. But let's finish with the student creed. Standing tall, set. You say, yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. Structure. To have discipline, to obey what is right and follow the rules. Emotion. To have a positive attitude and a passion for life. to apply what we learned in prestige to our everyday life. Legacy, to be a leader and a role model for others to follow. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. And I choose to be a winner. Asa! And then the parents say, Asa! Fantastic. All right, you guys have a great day. I look forward to those videos, and we will see you in class number 3.